In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to insert your company logo into a professional letterhead using Microsoft Word. This is perfect for business letters, school documents, or any file where you want your work to look polished and official. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once it's ready, we need to go to the header area. Simply double-click at the very top of the page, or click Insert, then choose Header and select Edit Header. This section is important because anything you place here will automatically appear on every page of your document. Next, let's insert your logo. While your cursor is inside the header, click Insert, then Pictures, and choose this device if your logo is saved on your computer. Find your logo file, click it, and press Insert. You should now see your logo at the top of your page. Now, let's make it look professional. Click on the logo, then drag the corner handles to resize it. Always resize from the corners so the logo doesn't stretch or look distorted. After that, go to Picture Format, click Wrap Text, and choose Square or In Front of Text. This allows you to move the logo easily to the left or right corner of your letterhead. Once your logo is in place, you can add your company details. Press Enter beside or under the logo, then type your company name, address, phone number, or email. You can change the font style, size, and color to match your brand. Keep it simple and clean so it looks professional. When everything looks good, click Close Header and Footer, or double-click outside the header area. Your letterhead is now ready to use. Here's a quick tip. If you want to reuse this design later, click File, then Save As, and choose Word Template. This way, your letterhead is ready anytime you need it. And that's it. Creating a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word is quick and easy once you know the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.